Some vehicles feel like they were built to handle anything, carrying families, cargo, and adventures with minimal fuss. Others show their weaknesses over time, demanding constant attention and unexpected repairs. True dependability comes from engineering that balances durability, performance, and practicality, giving owners the confidence that every journey, near or far, will be smooth, predictable, and worry-free. Today, we will talk about most reliable SUVs ranked, 2026 update. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Most reliable SUVs. Ranked, 2026 update. In 2026, the SUV market is larger and more diverse than ever, but not all SUVs are created equal when it comes to reliability. As buyers increasingly prioritize long-term ownership costs, durability, and peace of mind, reliability has become one of the most important factors in choosing an SUV. To help cut through the noise, this 2026 update ranks the most reliable SUVs on the market, from subcompact crossovers ideal for city life to rugged three-row family haulers built for decades of use. Reliability here encompasses mechanical durability, frequency of major repairs, cost of maintenance, and owner satisfaction over time. Data sources include long-term owner surveys, industry reliability studies, common problem areas reported by mechanics, and real-world mileage longevity. Consistency in powertrain performance, minimal electronic gremlins, robust suspension components, and broad parts availability all contribute to higher reliability scores. 2. Toyota RAV4, compact SUV, leader in reliability. The Toyota RAV4 continues to dominate reliability rankings in 2026, earning its reputation as a cornerstone of dependable compact SUVs. Across multiple generations, the RAV4 has demonstrated durability both in daily driving and long-term ownership. Key factors include Toyota's conservative engineering philosophy, robust four-cylinder engines, and straightforward drivetrain design that avoids overly complex systems where unnecessary failures often originate. In hybrid variants, Toyota's well-proven hybrid technology extends reliability even further, with batteries and hybrid systems routinely exceeding 150,000 to 200,000 miles with minimal high-cost issues when properly maintained. 3. Honda CR-V, trusted compact SUV with proven durability. The Honda CR-V remains one of the most reliable compact SUVs in 2026, continuing a long tradition of strong performance, robust engineering, and low ownership costs. Known for its practical design and spacious interior, the CR-V pairs a dependable four-cylinder engine with transmissions that, when serviced on schedule, have shown minimal major failures even at high mileage. Honda's approach to reliability emphasizes mechanical simplicity where possible and proven components, elements that consistently deliver longevity. While all modern vehicles incorporate electronics and advanced driver assist systems, Honda's conservative integration reduces the risk of glitch-prone systems that can elevate repair bills. In hybrid versions, the CR-V Hybrid builds on Honda's electrification experience, offering excellent fuel economy without significant battery or inverter issues reported in long-term ownership data. Independent reliability surveys and owner feedback point to consistent performance from suspension, brakes, and powertrain components over years of use. 4. Lexus RX, luxury SUV with exceptional reliability. The Lexus RX blends premium comfort with remarkable reliability, positioning it near the top of 2026 rankings for luxury SUVs. Derived from Toyota's reliable engineering foundation, the RX benefits from refined gasoline and hybrid powertrains that exhibit longevity and low frequency of major mechanical issues. Lexus prioritizes quality materials and meticulous assembly, resulting in an SUV that not only feels upscale but also proves durable in long-term ownership. Hybrid variants, in particular, combine smooth performance with Toyota's proven hybrid technology, which has a long track record of robust battery life and minimal high-cost failures. Advanced safety and driver assist systems are well integrated and refined over multiple generations, limiting the occurrence of software-related issues that can plague less mature systems. 5. Subaru Forester. Rugged AWD reliability for all seasons. The Subaru Forester continues to earn high marks for reliability in 2026, especially among buyers who prioritize all-weather capability and longevity. Subaru's hallmark all-wheel drive system is engineered for durability and consistent traction, and when combined with the Forester's proven engines and straightforward mechanical design, it results in an SUV that can endure high mileage with minimal major repairs. Earlier generations featured the trusted naturally aspirated engines, and more recent models maintain reliability while incorporating updated technology. While turbocharged options in other Subaru models have shown mixed reliability due to increased mechanical stress, the Forester's focus on balance and simplicity keeps maintenance predictable. Long-term owner reports frequently cite decades of use with few expensive issues, provided routine service, such as oil changes, cooling system service, and brake maintenance is adhered to. 6. Toyota Highlander, midsize SUV, with proven longevity. The Toyota Highlander earns a place near the top of 2026 reliability rankings among midsize SUVs thanks to its robust powertrains, thoughtful engineering, and strong long-term performance record. Available with both traditional gasoline and hybrid powertrains, the Highlander combines family-friendly utility with dependable mechanical durability. Toyota's engines, whether the naturally aspirated V6 or the hybrid augmented systems, show a strong track record of longevity when maintained according to manufacturer recommendations. Hybrid Highlanders, in particular, offer excellent fuel efficiency without introducing significant high-cost failure points, as Toyota's hybrid technology has been refined over decades. 7. Honda Pilot, family SUV, with strong reliability track. The Honda Pilot is a reliable midsize SUV that consistently scores highly in 2026 reliability assessments. Its robust V6 engine and well-engineered automatic transmission deliver smooth, predictable performance across various driving conditions. Honda's focus on mechanical durability and serviceability ensures that the Pilot's major components, such as the powertrain, drivetrain, and suspension, exhibit long service life with fewer major issues than many competitors. While electronics and driver assist systems are modern and feature-rich, Honda's measured integration minimizes the risk of frequent glitches or software failures. 8. Mazda CE. 5. Driving enjoyment with reliability. The Mazda CX-5 distinguishes itself in 2026 by combining enjoyable driving dynamics with strong reliability ratings. Mazda's Sky-active engines and transmissions are designed for mechanical simplicity, efficient performance, and long service life, resulting in fewer frequent mechanical problems when standard maintenance is performed. The CX-5's well-tuned suspension and responsive steering also contribute to a driving experience that feels more refined than many rivals, without introducing excessive complexity that can raise long-term repair risk. While electronics and infotainment systems are increasingly sophisticated, Mazda's conservative integration and focus on core mechanical robustness help limit unexpected failures. 9. Kia Telluride and Hyundai Palisade. Value-focused three-row reliability. The Kia Telluride and its corporate cousin, the Hyundai Palisade, have become reliability favorites among three-row SUVs in 2026. These models combine roomy interiors, modern amenities, and strong safety scores with mechanical systems that deliver durability above average for their class. Kia and Hyundai have invested in engineering improvements over recent years, resulting in powertrains and chassis systems that perform consistently with minimal costly failures in long-term ownership data. While these SUVs incorporate advanced electronics and driver assist technologies, careful integration and ongoing software refinement reduce the incidence of high-cost electronic issues. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.